Okay, guys, welcome to Betrix once again. Um, Today's video, I'm emphasizing on those who have been buying airtime, okay, on all the networks, okay. But today, I'm emphasizing on those MTN users because in Ghana here, our most SIM cards, most people use MTN, okay. So this is how it works. If you don't want to buy data anymore, you are tired of buying data, you can buy a data within an hour, it will get finished, you'll be losing money on it, bro. Those attitude shouldn't happen in this 21st century, okay. It has stopped in some countries, but it hasn't stopped in Africa. But they are trying to help those of us who cannot buy data, and they are trying to put a stop to wasting our money on data and other things. Meanwhile, we pay tax and everything, but they don't give us free data. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys um how to get free data. Okay, free data. If you don't have any data on your MTN, you can just hit over there and just go. So this is how we start. So I recommend any Android user to search this app called AI Faisal. Okay, the AI means artificial intelligence. Okay, as you can see up here, and you can see different AI Faisals. Some are socks, some are injects. Okay, but we are looking for a VPN, not an injector or a socket. Okay, they all play the same role but different strategies. Okay, but we are looking for the VPN, so we are going to concentrate on this one. Okay, so you select that and you download it. Okay, this app have been there for long. I've been using this app for a long time. Okay, when I say a long time, about 2 years, 3 years now. Okay, AI Faisal and Open Tunnel, all of them, I've been using them, but these ones are now working properly. Okay, so you download it. Okay, after downloading it, you go to your, let's say when you have data, you have to download it. Okay, when you have data, you have to download it. So maybe when you don't have data, then you switch to it. Okay, so as you can see, I've downloaded it on my phone, and our next step to do is go to our settings. Okay, wherever you find your settings, just go there. This is my mobile settings. Okay, you can see it over here. So over here, I'll go to internet and my network settings, and I'll go for my mobile data. Okay, so we are actually searching for access point. Okay, this one. I don't know how your phone interface looks like, but we are looking for access point. So if you go to your mobile data, just search for access point over there. So over here, sorry, I'm not feeling all that well. So over here, what we will do is we will create a new access point names. As you can see, it's on the original MTN default section. Okay, so over here, you just click on the plus sign over here. I don't know how yours is, but you have to create a new one. So when you click there, okay, at the name, okay, you put this name there. Okay, MTN internet, because that's what we are looking for. Okay, and also you click on the access point name, that's the APN, and over there we enter internet, just like how MTN's their name and APN is. But then let's scroll down. You scroll down, and we are searching for what we called APN type. Okay, every phone has an APN type. So as you can see, mine over here is not set. Then I think I have to set it. So I'll just click there, and so with the APN type, all you have to do, some phones have a selection. So in the selection, you have to select default. If you don't have any selection, just type in default, okay, and click OK. Okay, so after setting it up here, I don't need to set this authentication. Okay, none of them is my business. Okay, they all have their ways and means of setting them. That's when you are using other apps. And let me see, my protocol, it's not part of it, but I'm just setting. Okay, let me leave it like that. Okay, so that it doesn't confuse you guys. So the only thing we did here was we set our APN type to default, we did our APN name, and the service provider's name, which is MTN internet. Okay, after that we click here, the three dots. I don't know how yours looks, but you have to save it. So you click the three dots and you save it. Now we can see it's showing up here. Okay, you can see it's showing up here. So what we are going to do is you select it like how I've selected mine. Okay, you select it this way. Okay, so let's give it a try. Right now I'm using a night bundle. Okay, so when you don't have a data, right now I have data. Okay, so if you don't have data, you can just proceed to the settings. So after selecting here, okay, all you have to do is go back to the app that you downloaded. Okay, just head over back to the app. So where is the app? Okay, this is mine. So you just select it. Okay, and at first you are supposed to update it with the data. Okay, you have to suppose when you open the app, you are supposed to do. That's what I'm saying. Before you do everything, you must have a data. So let's say when your data gets finished, then you can go there and use it. Okay, so over here I'll just click OK, and this service has to update. Over here it has to update. Okay, right now I think it's okay. Over here it has to update. So let me just, okay, it's now, I think it's now working over here. Okay, I'll just quit. So okay, this is the update. So immediately you open it, this thing should pop up. Okay, then you click on update. Sorry. So after clicking on updates, you see the servers over here, though you see different countries over here. Okay, and over there, let's do some small settings over here because we are in Ghana. And note, first let me note this one down. When you select a server and you connect, okay, and it disconnects like for some hours later, it means the system is down, their server is down. So you can select a different server. Okay, so let's go to select server, and because these are all the countries that have service, and I recommend we select UK 14 over here. I prefer to select that because UK is more like close to Africa. Okay, so over there, apart from that, we select a tweak. A tweak is like a pin GPS point. Okay, so over there we click there, and we have to select for MTN Ghana. You can see that there are other different countries all over here, so we are going to search for Ghana. So as you can see, this is Ghana, and the Ghana MTN, you can see they've written 443. That's the location, that's actually the port. Okay, so we select Ghana, and over the port over here we select 443, just like how it's attached to the Ghana MTN. Okay, and so that's all for now. So let's assume I don't have a time today, okay, and I want to use this one after doing all these settings. Whenever you connect, okay, they give you is it 2 hours or so. I don't want to connect because I'm using data now. When you click on connect, you watch an advert for some seconds, okay, and that will generate the time for you, and I think they'll give you 2 hours at first place, and you can decide to watch an advert by clicking here again, and they'll give you an additional 3 hours, making 5 hours. Okay, so over here you can just use it for a couple of number of days, over and over and over and over. I've been using a particular one for about I'll say 11 months now. I've not been buying data. I only use my night bundle at night. During the day, I use it for the day. I use it for downloads. I use it to watch my Netflix and other stuff. So guys, just use this. It's good for MTN users. I don't know whether they have other for Vodafone Cash or other things, but with this one they've done it purposely for MTN. Okay, in other apps you find Vodafone Cash, and I'll drop that video too on this. I said Vodafone Cash on Vodafone mobiles. Okay, those using Vodafone SIM cards. If you don't have data, you can use them, but I'll drop that video later. This is for MTN users. So after this, how this whole thing works, so it will connect. Whenever you click on connect, you are supposed to see some kind of key button on top of your dashboard over here. Okay, it will show up there, like where my time and other batteries symbols are shown. You see a key symbol, meaning it has connected. Okay, that's all this app does. I'll drop the new app for you guys to see. Thank you.